Hey there, this is Neil Napier and I would like to introduce you to PowrSuite. PowrSuite is a powerhouse collection of 9 high-quality tools to help you build your online business, and with the included commercial license, you can sell business creation services at any price you want. In this demo, I will show you what you can do with each of the 9 tools to grow your online business. We will start with the first place your clients will visit, your website. We have 4 highly focused apps to help you create specific types of pages that have proven time and again to drive profits right into your checking accounts. These are all chock full of templates to get you up and earning today. Create clear, high converting opt-in and offer pages to land clients quickly. You can generate some excitement for clients with our Scratch Off Page tool. Reveal a special discount or deal to increase revenue. And once you have closed that sale, you can send them to collect their bonuses on a high quality page from our Done For You bonus page tool. And if none of those page crafting tools fit your design needs, our simple page builder can be used for any other type of page your profit site may need. Of course, no business would be able to sell anything without traffic. So we have included tools that will drive traffic to your business and to your offers. We know that social media drives traffic like nothing else. So we have given you all the templates you could need for Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, the top 3 social sites for getting targeted traffic organically. You can create impressive covers, posts, and of course, stories. Everyone loves stories. And it is clear that stories are simply dominating on social media right now. And now you too can dominate. Video of all sorts continues to grow and bring in big profits online. YouTube viewers are getting more and more picky about what to watch next. Studies show that YouTube viewers are significantly more likely to click on your video if you have a great thumbnail. And that great thumbnail will increase both watch time and traffic for you. Great thumbnails get attention and send more profitable traffic straight to you. So we have included a great thumbnail tool for you as well. You're welcome. With these powerful tools, it will be very simple for you to stop the scroll and keep the attention on your business. Speaking of your business, at some point as you grow, you are going to want to try out some paid traffic. We have just the tool for you. Our professionally designed ad templates found in the Done For You Simple Ads tool will make your offers and products stand out to your target audience. There is one final tool to round out PowrSuite. If you need to create a logo for your company or a client, you can do that easily with our Done For You logo tool. Every tool includes plenty of templates to create professional, creative, targeted content every time. Do you see all the profitable possibilities that we have baked into PowrSuite for you? This will be the last marketing tool you will ever need. You can use it to grow your business and then sell marketing services to your clients. Every tool will not only add to your bottom line, but it will also help you multiply your profits every single week. If you tried to put together this tool set on your own, you'd be paying hundreds of dollars each month, but you can get all the power of PowrSuite for a low one-time introductory price during this launch. I'll see you on the inside.
"2022 is finally here, and you're ready to start your online business. You're smart enough to know that you'll need a website, great opt-in pages, high converting offer pages, as well as ads that bring in clients. To be successful, you know you'll also need traffic. But you also know that to start your online business, it's going to take a lot of work and money to make it happen. You'll need to gain the knowledge as to how to create a website with your landing pages, opt-in pages, and bonus pages. You'll need to learn the basics of good design to make it all look right. Then you're going to have to figure out how to design ads that convert. You're going to need to study social media and learn how to grow your business with stories and posts. Not to mention that you'll then have to start paying for the monthly services to create all those critical pieces of any successful online business. All of this takes a lot of time, brain power, effort, and skill. Sounds like it's going to be a busy first quarter. But imagine if there was an all-in-one business creation tool that does all of this for you for a one-time fee, without you having to do any technical work, without you having to do any extra work, and without you having to hire consultants and designers. Well, my team and I have developed a suite of tools that lets you do just that. And you can even sell those marketing agency services for hundreds of dollars to all the other new businesses starting up this time of year. Introducing PowrSuite. Yes, this advanced 9-in-1 toolset is designed for pro-level entrepreneurs like you who want to create their business with point-and-click simplicity like it should be. And here's the best part. You get all this at a one-time low price. How does that sound? Well, today's your lucky day, because today is the day it will all become a reality for you. You know, the best part of PowrSuite is that it's 100% newbie-friendly and gets better and better every day. PowrSuite uses a simple but powerful template-based system to get your results fast and easily and looking professional. PowrSuite includes tools to create social posts on sites like Facebook and Instagram and more. You can quickly create those ads to grow your business and sell to other businesses. New businesses are going to need a logo to stand out from the crowd. PowrSuite does that easily and creatively without you having to be a designer. The page design tools is what really makes PowrSuite so, well, powerful. Opt-in pages, offer pages, bonus pages, scratch-offs, surprise pages are all quickly and professionally created using our templates. Make it a breeze to get your business or your client's business earning right away. And if you need another type of page, well, we've got you covered there too, with our simple page tool to create any other business page you may need. Listen, there are thousands of people just like you who are looking to start an online business in the new year, and you can use PowrSuite to offer them this as a service: landing page creation service, opt-in page creation service, graphic creation service, social media content creation, and more, and start charging them premium money, especially in the first quarter of 2022 when everyone is so excited about starting new things. Face it, it's time to stop paying month after month for expensive, money-sucking service providers and make good money day in and day out. There would be no additional monthly costs, like the $20 a month for Photoshop, or the $297 a month for ClickFunnels, or the $20 a month for Illustrator, or the $97 a month for coupon tools, and the $13 a month for Canva Pro. Seriously, that's over $400 a month. That's just wrong. Especially for someone just starting out, especially if you want to sell marketing services and scale quickly. Think of all the ways you could use all the extra monthly money to grow your business. You could run advertising campaigns. You could hire an assistant. You could hire a copywriter. And I'm sure you're thinking of other ways to make that money work harder for you every month instead of spending it on business tools. The sort of stuff that really puts money in your pocket every day, every week, every month, all year long. Lots of people quit their online business even before they make their first sale online because they get overwhelmed with all the costs and the complexity needed to run an online business. If you're like most people, you've even thought about quitting once or twice yourself. It's normal and all too common these days. But I've got good news for you. Everything changes today. Instead of having to worry about paying over $400 every single month, you can grab the 9-in-1 solution that we've put together for you. Grab hold of this powerful toolset and enjoy permanent access to these 9 tools that we could easily charge you $200 every month. But we don't want to do that, because we want you to unlock the door to a better life with more profits. It's time to cancel those annoying monthly subscriptions. Grab PowrSuite for an epic low introductory price here on this page now. You'll also get some incredible bonuses when you buy it today. You can start selling your services and start making money with this right now. There's no risk. So don't waste any more time or money. Grab this powerful tool set of 9 of the most needed tools for online business, and you can do it today at an unbelievably low one-time price and begin to transform your business. Remember, you're getting DFY social apps to dominate Facebook, Insta, and everything else. DFY simple ads to create high converting ads quickly and easily. DFY logo to design business logos for you and to sell to your clients. DFY surprise to create interactive pages offering discounts and sales. DFY thumbnail to create high ranking clickable YouTube thumbnails. DFY opt-in page to make pages for your customers to first request info on your products. DFY offers page to sell your products to your customers. DFY bonus page to deliver bonuses to your customers after purchase. And DFY simple page to create any other business page you may need. I hope you're beginning to see just how powerful of a toolset PowrSuite really is, and how critical this is to effectively building your online business. Don't forget, we also provide you with a commercial license at no additional charge, so you can sell this as a marketing agency at any price you want. If your business is already set up and doing okay, and you're wondering why would you need PowrSuite, just imagine how much money you can free up by dropping those monthly fees and selling your marketing services, which in turn will help your clients grow their bottom line as well and get them asking you for more services, which of course means more money in your pocket. Sounds good, doesn't it? Maybe you're thinking, maybe it's too good to be true. You may be asking, okay, what's the catch? Is there some hefty monthly fee with an introductory price? Or maybe I have to share my profits with Neil? I've got good news on both fronts. PowrSuite, with all 9 of the tools I mentioned, is available at a low one-time cost, but only during our special Start Off the Year Right January launch event. Soon it will rise to its normal monthly price of $97 a month. And like I mentioned earlier, you get to keep it all, 100% of the revenue, when you grab PowrSuite today. As you can see, we've worked hard to get you a great introductory price that gets you the complete set of 9 tools and allows us to just about cover our costs. At this price, it's a real win-win. And as usual, everything on this page is backed up with our rock-solid money-back guarantee. But I have to be honest with you here. We're never satisfied with our apps. We're always looking for ways to make it better, to offer our customers much more value than they actually paid for. That puts a lot of pressure on our programmers, and good programmers are expensive. But as an action taker myself, I respect people who are ready to take action themselves. So I'm offering this complete toolset at a very low price for now. So, if you're ready to be an action taker, like I think you are, then click below and join the PowrSuite team and win big in January and far into 2022.